That World Radio 99. World Radio 99, 390 mobile call.
CQ, Northern California, Nickel. We're on the side.
How about that World Radio 99, Salt Lake City. World Radio 99, Salt Lake City, 390 mobile, northwest corner breaking.
We got out there. Northern California, triple nickel, Sacramento area, we're waving.
Triple nickel, California, 390 mobile up here in Port Angeles, Washington. Out here by the water, we're waving.
Hey, there's 390.
Yeah, 390, Washington Way. Hey, you sounded good. Got a nice little mobile there coming in. Balls to the wall, from a 7 to 20. The conditions must be right. You sounded good, okay?
Well, triple nickel, I like your meter. Hey, triple nickel, I like your meter. You got a good meter. That's a friendly meter you got there. No, you're sounding choice up here in the corner. Triple nickel, you're sounding good up here in the corner. This little bitty mobile, World Radio 390 in beautiful downtown Port Angeles, waving back.
390. Hey, you're kind. 390. You sounded good. You sound like you could come in and have a beer with me. Hey, you got a nice radio. Well, I don't want to be a beck and mouth. I'm just shooting skip, see who I can talk to and where I'm going. We've been all over this today. So, hey, buddy, 390. Yeah, God bless you. You have a great day and a better tomorrow. The triple nickel will keep an eye and listen for you. And whenever we hear you, we'll call out to you and we'll keep you in the logbook. We'll be on the side.
All right, triple nickel, appreciate it. You have yourself a good one. Save some of them flowers for yourself because you're sounding good up here in the corner. Sounding good up here, triple nickel, no doubt about it. All right, my friend, take care. Pleasure's on my end. Triple nickel, World Radio 390 in beautiful downtown Port Angeles, Washington. We're QRT.
390, sounding good. 73 is my friend. Take care. We're out.
Getting a lot of bleed over from 38.
Too, so.
37.
Thresholds of pain. I didn't have any pain. I remember, 428 T-bone, Montana, I believe. And everything, and you feel that, but it wasn't bad. I didn't think. For me, I was, so, if he's hurting, I'm sorry about that, but I'm glad I didn't have.
Hey, how about that World Radio 99? World Radio 99. You got a copy? 390 portable call.
Northern California. Get in there pretty deep, and I know it can be really painful.
About 580, do you copy? This is 595. CQ, Montana 213. 514, California.
It was a sharp turn.
No get back on World Radio 99. No conditions into Salt Lake City. World Radio 390, Wiki Squeaky Mobile in beautiful downtown Port Angeles, Washington. Standing by.
Try to come around the corner and we'll fall into that slot. They said, we better not aggravate the...
213, Montana 514.
Yeah, they gotta be